Hey tartelettes, it's Deanna, and today I'm going to show you guys how to put lashes on for beginners. And I am not someone who is super advanced in this area, and in fact I just started getting more comfortable with this once Jen left on maternity leave because she used to put my lashes on. So before she left, I was like, you have to tell me how to do these, tell me all your secrets. So now I'm going to share them with you. I've already gone ahead and done my eye look, and I used our Tartelette in Bloom palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. It's kind of like my everyday go-to palette. Now, one thing that I learned when you are putting lashes on, sometimes it can get messy, but a good way to hide any mistakes that you might have is to put liner on. So I'm gonna go ahead and use our Man-Eater liquid liner. This tip gives you a really precise line, and I love this one so much. And it doesn't need to be a drastic wing. I usually just do like a simple line across my top lash line, and that way it will hide the band of the lashes. So I'm just going to do a very faint line. And with liner, I always like to start out small because just in case you mess up a little bit, you can just have no fear and you could go a little bit bigger. But if you start out big and you mess up, then you're kind of screwed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye now. Now I have both eyes done, and now it's time for the lashes. The lashes that I've currently been loving are center of attention, and one thing I love about our lashes and our lash glue is that it's latex free, because I recently found out that I'm allergic to latex, so that's really important to me. And these are also cruelty free, of course, like all of our Tarte products. So I'm gonna pop these bad boys on. So first you wanna measure them up to your eye, and I know for a fact these are a little bit long for me, so I always snip the ends like so. Just like a little tiny bit on the ends. So again, I'm just going to snip it right there on the end. Don't know where that went flying to. Now this next step is something that I never really knew until Jen taught me. So first I like to use our clear glue, and I'm gonna just put that on the band. So you're literally just going to go right along the band. And you don't need a ton, just like that. You can see it's clear, right? It looks a little blue, but then it dries clear. So this is a trick that Jen taught me, and I never knew this. Just literally let it dry. Like let it dry for like a minute. So then the glue becomes really tacky. Instead of like, if you put it on right now, it'll be all wet and it kind of moves a lot and it'll go all over your eyelid, and then you're screwed. Alright, I think we're good. So now I'm going to take a mirror, because this is very hard, and I'm just going to place them right there, starting in the center and then pressing on the outsides. Okay, so now I'm on to the next one, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but when you are putting your lashes on, you want to make sure that the smaller side right here is going on the inner corner and the longer piece is on the outer corner. Wow, that one went on so much easier. That always happens. One eye is like so hard and the other is like easy peasy. That went on so easy. I promise you it's not easy all the time. Lashes are complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I want to let you know that it's not always easy to put lashes on. Take it from someone who knows. I have messed up entire eye looks trying to put lashes on, but I will say it does get easier with practice, and I hope this tutorial helps you guys. I think lashes can elevate your entire look, and I think that someone like me, I don't love my own natural lashes, so being able to put on false lashes just really gives me that extra boost of confidence. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have an awesome day, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you guys next time.